Hey there, it's Alistair from starting a Shopify store from scratch. So in this video what we're going to look at is the features of Shopify and what's available for you to use to build your store. It might be quite a long video. As you can see, it's quite a bit for us to cover, so I'm going to be as quick as possible so that I don't waste too much of your time. So as I've said, you're looking at the features. As you can see, Shopify has all the features you want and none of the fluff, making it simple for you to build your store. As I've already said, you've got 70 plus themes you could use. It's all mobile ready and looks great on any device you use. If you need help to build your store, you can contact me or you can contact a Shopify expert. You can build a blog and post content regularly to your store. You can customize your store easily, edit your CSS, you can create and use your own domain if you want to, or you can keep Shopify's. I would, however, suggest you get your own domain to make it look more professional. Obviously, everything is web-based, so you never have to do anything outside of Shopify. Everything you can do within Shopify and not look for anything else to try and make your store look great. Shopping carts are fully integrated. You get a free SSL certificate, which you would otherwise have to buy if you bought any other kind of software. You can accept any kind of credit card with Shopify, depending on the payment processor that you use. Obviously, there are many payment gateways you can use, starting from Bitcoin right through to any MasterCard or Visa card. You can offer free shipping if you want to. Your store can be set up in multiple languages. Shipping rates can be calculated automatically using various apps within Shopify. And you can also follow up with customers if they ever decide to leave your store without buying anything. If you have specific kind of shipping rates, you can also add those. And taxation is automated, provided that you set up your store initially with the correct tax information. Store management is quite simple. Everything can be done in the dashboard, and from the dashboard there are links to the various parts of Shopify where you can manage your inventory, create customer profiles, accounts, create groups of customers. You can deal with fulfillment centers where you dispatch your inventory to, fulfill orders with one single click. You can do drop shipping, manage refunds, manage everything on the go using the Shopify app on your smartphone. There are hundreds of email templates you can use, or you can just use the automated Shopify templates and modify them to your design. As far as marketing and SEO go for your store, the themes provided by Shopify are all SEO optimized, and if you follow the best SEO practices, you're bound to get your store found in search engines. Shopify automatically creates sitemaps of your site as you start updating, and every time you post a blog, the sitemap will be updated. Within Shopify, you can offer discounts, coupons, etc., gift cards. Shopify also integrates with all your favorite social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. You can use Google AdWords within Shopify to advertise your business. You can create product reviews, and you can also sell on Facebook. When you're uploading products, you obviously will have an inventory. Shopify has an integrated inventory management system. You can create multiple product variations, organize your products by category, type, seasons or sales, etc. You can use multiple images to showcase your products. Obviously, every single product should have a proper description and be tagged. So within Shopify, you can get this easily done using various tags, titles, and URLs. You can also sell digital products, import and export products, and have unlimited products in your store. Web hosting can be done through Shopify, or you can also integrate with external web hosting companies and then redirect back to Shopify. You can also have email through Shopify. Everything is PCI compliant. You have SSL certificates provided by Shopify, and any upgrades that are made over time to the Shopify platform are all automated for you. And Shopify is always up with a 99.98% uptime, and there is 24/7 around the clock monitoring to make sure your site is never offline. As far as analytics go, Shopify provides you all the analytics you need through their comprehensive dashboard, where you can see how things are going in your store from day to day, tracking your sales, orders and traffic, so that you know exactly what to do from day to day. You can pull reports, export reports, integrate with Google Analytics, and check your traffic and referral reports every single day. Take Shopify with you on the go, manage orders, check your mobile dashboard, manage inventory, email customers, and sync all your data through Shopify. Shopify has a dedicated support team that's available 24/7. There's a help center which has got everything you need to know. There are experts who are available around the clock to help you if you ever get stuck with anything in your store. There are discussion forums so you can get involved with Shopify communities, and also continue your learning through the eCommerce University. As I've said, Shopify is available 24/7 and people are always available to help you. All the information that you need is there to build your store, get up and running, market your business and scale. That's it for this video. If you like the kind of content we create, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. Also get notified by hitting the notification bell so that you know whenever we upload new content. We continue creating content for Shopify as and when we have the opportunity. We do this daily. We create shorter videos so that we don't overload you with too much information. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.